Good morning, everybody. How are you this morning? Week 3 of Can I Make money online? Do you know what? I'm not going to correct it. I'm just going to let it flow. That's the purpose of this particular video. I'm just going to let things flow. If I make a mistake, so what? It's actually about creating content and actually sharing and trying to connect with people. Okay, having said that, the reason that I'm making this particular video is in the last couple of videos it's been very precise. I've had stuff from my blog post that I've actually spoken to. But I'm mixing it up this week. I'm doing short, sharp, snappy videos to camera like this one. And this first one this week is based on this particular quote from Oprah Winfrey. On my own, I will just create. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, I'll create something else. Well, I saw this and I thought, Steve, that's absolutely fantastic. And where did I see the quote? I saw the quote in the 5-minute journal. Now, the 5-minute journal has been with me for the last 2 years and it's absolutely fantastic. I'm not going to go into any great detail, but if you are interested, there's a link below, and basically, as I said, not too much information, but it gives you the opportunity in 5 minutes to set your day up with some good thoughts, a good quote like the Oprah Winfrey quote, which is why I'm doing this straight to camera early on a Monday morning, and it just sets you up for the day. It gives you a thought process, and I absolutely love this book. If you don't know what it is, I suggest you have a look. Yes, it's an Amazon link. This is about making money online. If you click on it, great, you don't pay any more, and I'm be really grateful because it's a way that I can start justifying and actually monetizing my thoughts and way going forward. As you know, I've got a £1,000 a month goal by next May 2020, and time is beginning to slip. We're in week 3. That's enough. If you've enjoyed that, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel? There's lots more coming, and I hope I haven't wasted your time. I love that quote, and just look at the end of it. I don't have any limitations on what I think I could do or be, and that's what this is about. It's a motivational thing. I'm now going to get down and start creating.